Canada's new Digital Nomad Visa 2024. Canada announces good news for remote workers. Watch our video to know all about it. But before we reveal that, are you planning to migrate to Canada? Do you want expert advice? Visit our website now, where hundreds of licensed and authorized Canadian immigration experts are registered to help you with your immigration journey to Canada. Just click the link in the description box or the pinned comment below. Let's start our today's video update. Now, living and working in Canada is more accessible for remote workers who are highly in demand, as the country has recently updated its definition of a digital nomad. Now, fasten your seatbelts, as we first look into who is a digital nomad. The new definition explains a digital nomad as someone who works remotely for a foreign employer, has no connection to Canada, like a spouse or child who is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, and meets the requirements for a temporary resident visa. So, what are the requirements to enter Canada as a digital nomad? Well, to enter Canada as a digital nomad, you will need the following. Acquire a temporary resident visa, like a visitor visa or a work permit. Fulfill the eligibility criteria for the chosen visa, which may include having a valid passport, proof of sufficient funds, and a clean criminal record. And proof that you're earning a stable income from your remote work. And that brings us to our next point. How long can you stay in Canada as a digital nomad? The duration of your stay in Canada will be determined by the type of visa you obtain. Basically, you can stay up to 6 months under a visitor visa, while work permits enable extended periods of stay. Here are a few additional tips. First, start planning early. The visa application process is time-consuming, so you better plan your trip earlier. Also, do your research. Ensure a clear understanding of the digital nomad entry route and select the correct visa accordingly. And consider getting travel insurance. Having travel insurance would be handy in unexpected circumstances, like a medical emergency or trip cancellation. So be sure to follow these tips to live your dream of living and working in Canada as a digital nomad. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on. That way, you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for being an awesome viewer, and we'll catch you in the next one.